At first glance, this sounds chaotic, but listen closely. There's a red flag right out the gate. She's already talking about lawsuits and recording. That's not random. That's a psychological defense move. People do this when they feel loss of control. Now watch the officers. Calm tone, minimal words. That's deliberate. They're trying to slow her down before this turns physical.
Hot. Yeah. So she was denied boarding?
Yes. She tried to force her way into the plane.
I'm a psych nurse practitioner, so don't do any of this work, because this is on the video. I'm literally gonna sue all of you. My seat is 35B. I've been recorded. This is on the video. Don't touch me.
Put down the phone, please.
Can I take this backpack off, please?
No.
Just real quick. Let me talk to you, all right? Come on. We're gonna
You
talk.
are hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
Trying to.
No.
We're not trying to. Just let's walk this way.
We're not
You are
trying to.
hurting me.
We're not trying to. Trust me.
What do you mean you're not
We're
trying
just
to?
detaining you right now
Like,
for your
it hurt-
behavior. Don't resist. Don't resist.
Ma'am,
I
do that.
will resist.
Don't resist.
Don't touch me.
Just put your hands behind your back. All right?
Just relax.
I haven't
Stop.
done
Okay,
anything
relax.
wrong.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
Figure it out.
I'm
We're
a
gonna-
nurse practitioner and I'm going
What's wrong?
to work.
What
Put your hands
happened?
behind your
I
back.
had a few
Put your hands
cocktails.
behind
Well,
your
that's
back.
all right.
He's
We'll work it
hurting
out.
me.
No, it's
Okay.
not hurting you. Just relax. Relax.
All right, let's have a figure out what we got going on.
I can't because it hurts.
Where are you
Feel a
from?
little emotional.
Where are you from?
Here you go.
I'm Ukraine
Sit
and
down.
American.
Have a seat.
What are
There
you
you
doing?
Just put your legs out here.
There you go.
What are you doing?
Relax. Now talk to us.
Okay?
Did you? How much?
My
Did you,
dad
force
died.
yourself
I'm
down.
trying
So-
to go
how much
Relax.
to
how-
work. I'm a trouble
Stop
nurse.
crying. Tell us what's going on.
how much did you have to drink? Just talk to me with
We
this.
had 3 cocktails.
How many? 3
That's what
cocktails?
you asked me to do, so we have to detain
I'm
you.
my fear. I swear in Jesus'
Okay,
name.
let's start with this. What's your name?
You
What's your
can
name?
have my breast.
What's your?
Hello. You can't force yourself down the jet bridge. You understand? What's your name? Calm down, relax.
Uniform 10013.
Do we have a boarding pass for her or no?
Yes.
Where was it? She put it in her bag.
I
Oh, right there.
Okay, so relax. Okay? The cuffs are just for your safety. Here we go, over here.
Uniform 10013 by air.
Yeah, 35.
How do you say your first name? Bola?
It's Olya.
What is it?
Olya.
Olya? Okay. Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine?
So I have a few cocktails and I just become chit-chatty.
Okay, so you had a couple of cocktails, you became chit-chatty. Did you take any medicine with that
I don't
stuff?
take medicine.
You don't take any medicine? Okay. Do you have an issue
I'm
with
healthy.
do you have an issue with alcohol?
No.
No? Okay,
I just,
you understand that you cannot force your way down this way.
I haven't been forcing it. I just was trying to board and sit comfortably, but it's been a few hours delay. And I have another flight to catch. This is the connector for me to go to New Hampshire. I work in a psych facility with kids.
Okay, obviously she's not flying, correct?
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I cannot actually be flying. I'm flying. I'm gonna be sleeping. I'm just gonna have water and sleep for the whole flight.
If you're intoxicated, we can remove
I'm not intoxicated. I'm fine. That's my baseline of being fine. I
What is that?
The
promise.
issue here is that she's scared the flight attendants because she tried to force her way onto the plane. We have to close the door and stop the boarding process.
So she
Yeah, that's
bypassed you
outside.
down that way?
That's absolutely not. And that's what he was telling me when I was in the line. He said, come outside.
I told you.
And I'm a female. And this intimidates me.
This right here, this is the emotional breaking point. The plane's gone. Whatever control she thought she had, gone with it. Now watch the shift. She goes from argumentative to emotional. Crying, personal trauma, identity statements. That's not random. It's a last attempt to regain sympathy control. Meanwhile, officers stay on one track. compliance. They don't engage the emotion. Why? Because emotional engagement can destabilize the scene even more.
And when a male comes up to me and says, let's go outside talk, it makes me want to ninja.
There you go.
Yeah, here we go. But I am
He's the
gonna.
manager.
So what? He's not a pilot, he's not the plane. He's the manager
Okay. So this
who comes up to me in the line and says, let's go outside and talk. No, sir, I would like to board my plane and go to work.
All right, well, the plane's gone, okay?
And it sucks. And it's not
so
fair.
do me a favor, keep it down, all right? The
How
plane's
do
already
I
gone.
keep it down? I'm in a
By keeping
fucking
your mouth shut.
handcuffs.
I know that, but keep it quiet, okay? That's all you need to do right
Female
now.
to search.
Okay, like completely.
I get it. What you need to do is be quiet.
It's 1 year anniversary since we
Okay,
did that.
calm down.
Is that
and
her
I've
stuff?
been going through fucking a lot. And I'm Eastern European. And I've
listen to
been
what I'm telling
fucking objectified and
Listen
all
to what
that
I'm
shit.
telling you, okay?
And it's not fair because I'm a good fucking person.
We're not
I'm
saying
a
you're
good
not.
fucking woman.
We're not saying you're not, but you have to act like a lady, okay? Watch your
I'm
leg.
not a lady.
Watch your leg.
I'm not a lady. I don't know what to act as a lady. I'm a medical professional. I'm in scrubs.
Listen.
I'm not a lady.
Okay,
Like,
listen to me now.
I don't know. It depends what you say. Be the same.
Okay, I'm treating you with respect, right?
Can you take it off of me?
Not right now.
Take it off.
That hurts.
I understand it, but what you need to do is relax. Okay? Calm down. Okay? Because what you don't want is to be taken out of here crying and everything else, right?
Oh, I was supposed to be on the plane. And he was playing me.
So the plane is gone. So there's nothing you can do about that now.
I'm from the family of all women. I have a sister, 3 sisters. And I don't understand how that would be the case of Sarah Lena. And I'm fine. I had a few cocktails, but I'm not trying to, I'm responsible. I'm just trying to
Alright, don't worry about it then.
okay.
So I thought she was on the phone with the headset, but she was talking to me, and then she started talking to passengers randomly, and people were some of the passengers were caught by surprise. They didn't know what to say, so I turned around and I asked her if is everything all right. So she says she's none of your business, you know, get out of here. And I can smell alcohol, so I tell her, do you mind? Let's go outside and talk about this. Initially,
You tried to bring her back.
yeah, I
She's
never
already-
put my hands on her.
Yeah.
I just say, could you please go outside and I'm gonna put you on the next flight. I'm gonna give you time to sober up. But she kept walking to the point that I have to go down and talk to the flight attendants, explain the situation, and then she became loud. She said, you know, let me go in. So we have to close the door. And at that point, then I call the county. So that's just what happened.
So you tried to bring her back?
Yes, to have a conversation to
she-
rebook her on the next flight.
And she
But
said,
she didn't want to go. She didn't want to get rebooked.
Then
She
she
kept
started
walking
cursing F this, you F
all
this,
this was
you
in,
peon.
inside the
inside the jet bridge.
We
then
asked
she
her to
tried
come
to get
off,
onto the,
and even customer says, hey, there's kids here. And you mother, just,
Gotcha.
I know I'm a nurse practitioner, you're a peon.
So did she ever make entry onto the plane, or no? They kind of stopped.
No, we have to close the door.
We had to close
Oh,
the
so you
door.
closed the door.
Yeah.
So she never did
No,
actually.
she never did.
Okay, so basically it was her disturbance in the
Correct.
jet bridge.
Correct.
Authority of Hollywood at 1530 North
What's
Federal
your, let me
Highway
see
at
your
the auto
information.
zone, reference
Yes.
41.
So you're denying the boarding, or what are you? So she never did make entry onto the plane. It's more or less y'all got into
Correct.
a verbal dispute right
Yes.
here on the plane.
We were trying to prevent her from
I
coming
got
into
you. Okay, so she didn't like breach the plane or anything. That was my main concern. Stop the plane from normal operations.
Right.
Okay,
No,
so
that's
that-
what I said when I called.
Okay.
her.
All right,
She's
so
trying to
basically-
force her way in.
Okay, cool. So you engaged her inside of the jet bridge, asked her to turn around, and became a verbal disturbance basically
Yes.
at that time. Okay, I understand. So that's a different ball of wax than actually breaching the plane, and you know that's why I wanted that clarification.
She tried.
Gotcha.
Good job. You started out doing quick.
I'm gonna sleep for 8 hours and hydrate.
Can I ask you a question, Senora? Can I ask you a question?
I don't know.
Listen,
Yes.
when you were drinking today, did you take any
Here.
medication? Any medication at all?
I don't take drugs. I don't
Okay, but I'm
take
saying you don't take any prescription drugs that might have counter-affected you with the alcohol?
No,
Okay.
I have
That's not you to stand by the copy of Bolo.
you.
Respect to all units. It's going to be Authority of Hollywood at 1530 North Federal Highway at the AutoZone, reference out 41, armed robbery.
If you keep it down, I can take you a little bit closer up. It's
Advising
cooler.
the subject
You want that?
pointed the gun
Well, you got to keep
and
it
told
down,
him
okay?
his e-bike. Advised subject is elect.
Yeah.
Elect wearing a white shirt with black
Put your feet up here. We're gonna help you out.
DOA westbound Kinsley on the e-bike, one black and following, no tag information.
No. I
Anything
just
that's
can't
classified as a
walk.
Bolo.
I'm gonna take Lyft or Uber.
You want to go back to the checkpoint?
You good?
Listen, by the end, everything lines up clean. Alcohol admitted, disruptive behavior confirmed, witness statements from staff. That's why this ends in disorderly conduct and disorderly intoxication. $294 fine. But the real cost? Missed flight, public incident, permanent record. Here's the takeaway. Airports are zero-tolerance environments. You're not just dealing with staff, you're dealing with federal-level safety expectations. Once you become a disruption, your rights don't disappear, but they get balanced against public safety fast. And look, her biggest mistake wasn't drinking. It was refusing to de-escalate when given multiple chances. Every "don't touch me" followed by resistance. Every argument, instead of compliance, it's stacked against her. Now the real question, was this purely intoxication? Or did the system escalate her faster than necessary?